Hello everyone, this is the introduction to Laravel and Livewire. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can develop something similar or even more than this. This is just a simple CRUD that I've developed in Laravel and Livewire. So let me just take you through a short tour on how I did this and how it's operating. So the first thing that I've done is I've included this top part here where you are seeing the name, the email, the phone number, and the submit button here. So if you put in your details here and you click the submit button, it's going to save the records in the database without refreshing the page, and then it reloads all the records in the database and displays them here on this table. So on these input fields, I've incorporated the real-time validation. So as one is typing, for example, if I say G, remove the G and click anywhere else, you do see that instantly it's going to validate the name. So let me put the name, say there's John, and then the email, it's John, sorry, it's John, you see. Email must be a valid email address. As I'm typing, it's already validating. John at gmail.com, .co.com. Anyway, phone number, let's say it's 011 blah 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 blah. Submit. You see, contact successfully created, and this is John, the record that we just created. And there's a flash message here, so I'm going to show you how you can display these flash messages using Livewire. This was our submit. Now, if I click on edit, you see, automatically it takes in the value for a given row, the values for the given row, and then it populates those values into these input fields. So to begin with, let me update this one. Let's change the number, it's 8 there, and John, let's put a capital J here for you to see. Update, boom, John now has got a capital J, and there's an 8 at the end of the mobile number here. I can choose to say I want to remove this. If I say remove, automatically this record has been removed without refreshing the whole page. If I come here on this one, there's a live filter here. As I'm typing, it's going to filter all the records in the database and re-render the view here. So if I say T, for example, you see, Tatenda, it is filtered Tatenda. If I say M, Monaco, if I say Z, all the records that has got a Z in them will be filtered and displayed here. So this is what we are going to develop with Laravel and Livewire. So stay glued and tuned to my channel. Please do subscribe. If I put anything here, for example, you see there's nothing, and if I say refresh, it's gonna reload the page, refresh, it clears everything. So having said that, in the next video, we're going to download a fresh Laravel project. We do the database setup, we create our first live wire component, and then we wire up everything. Until